Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Tesla over-the-air updates work. Tesla's over-the-air, or OTA, updates are a key part of the ownership experience. Instead of taking your car to a service center for new features or bug fixes, your Tesla downloads and installs them on its own, similar to how your smartphone gets updates. These updates can introduce everything from new infotainment features to performance enhancements and safety improvements. The process is generally divided into two main phases, downloading and installing. First, the download phase. Your Tesla needs a strong Wi-Fi connection to download the update. If an update is available, you'll get a notification on your car's touchscreen and in the Tesla app. A yellow icon indicates an update is available but you're not connected to Wi-Fi, while a green icon means the download is in progress. You can still drive your car while the update is downloading. Next is the install phase. Once the download is complete, you will be prompted to install the update. You can choose to install it immediately or schedule it for a later time, like overnight. For safety, you cannot drive the car during the installation, as critical systems are being updated. The installation process typically takes around 25 to 45 minutes. Tesla releases updates on a rolling basis, so not every car gets the same update at the exact same time. You can adjust your software update preference to either standard or advanced in your car settings, with advanced giving you access to updates as soon as they become available for your vehicle and region. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.